Hi, I'm Sue Elkind with Yoga International. Today I'm going to show you some stretches that you can do at work if you're pregnant or even if you're not pregnant. These are just great things that you can do to move your body if you feel like you're sitting all day long. But before we begin, remember to like and subscribe below so you can catch all of the other videos to come. All right, we're going to get started here. Obviously, we're sitting today in this chair. So if you're looking down at a computer all day, I'd like you to just take a moment, take a deep breath, and then lift your gaze, slide your head and your shoulders back a little bit so you feel that elongation through your spine. On your next exhalation, we're going to do little neck rolls just to stretch out the sides and the back of the neck. So you're going to take your chin in towards your chest, and then inhale over to the right side, that right shoulder. And then exhale, chin comes down, and you can roll all the way to the other side. Use your breath to move you. Go slow. And only go as far as it feels good for your neck. Notice if there's any tension living there. And then coming back just to a central, neutral position with your head. One more neck stretch. Just take your head, the ear, to the right shoulder. You can even stretch out that left arm towards your chair if you'd like, just to get even more elongation on the left side. And if it feels good, you can even hold the top of your head. Don't feel like you have to pull on your head, though, to be here. Good. How are we doing? Inhale, come back up. Switch sides. Take your time. Just breathe into the stretch. Maybe you use your hands. Maybe you're just here. Remember to do this anytime throughout the work day. Good. Come back to center. So I love to do little pelvic tilts. We call this seated cat-cow. And what I'd like you to do is begin to rotate your pelvis in an anterior tilt. Feel a little curve in your spine as you inhale. And then as you exhale, slide to the back of your sitting bones. You can even reach your hands forward, maybe even chin to chest. So stretch out your back. Inhale, sitting bones slide back. Shoulders arch back, maybe even gaze up, and then exhale. And of course, if you have kind of a nice big belly, you don't want to go too far into this one. You just go into the smaller pelvic tilts. Just a couple more with your breath. So another really nice one to do is if you find yourself looking down and having that forward head posture, we get a lot of tension in the front of the body and the neck. So if you're typing or whatever. So inhale, lift your gaze. Lift your arms all the way up into like a goalpost position here. And then slide your throat back. Squeeze the upper back. So it's almost like you're taking your palate way back, leaning back, taking your elbows a little forward, and then just come right back to neutral. So it's just a little pulse back, slide the head back without flaring your ribs, and then forward. Do that just a couple more times. You can use your breath to help you get there. So you're strengthening the upper back muscles, opening the front of the body, taking a big breath in, opening up the heart even. Good. And then let your hands come down. And of course, this is always a favorite, right? Place the right ankle on top of the left knee. Extend through the inner arch. You can move your sitting bones back a little bit. Take a deep breath here. And only if there's space, you can begin to fold forward a little bit. And you'll feel that stretch right into the right hip, probably. Often we don't have to go very far to feel this one. So just breathe into any areas of tightness. Try to release any tension in your face. Know you're giving yourself something good right now that will help you to feel better when you move into the rest of your day. Inhale, come on up. We'll switch to the other side. Make sure the foot is active so that you're not sickling in the ankle and bowing in your shin. That could create a little more torque in the knee. So foot is active, You can even widen those sitting bones back. Take a breath and lean in a little bit. Use your breath to water that area, opening a little more space in the pelvis. You can do any of these exercises while you're working, even just one at a time. Great way to just move your breath, move some energy. Beautiful. All right, place that foot down. Thank you so much for watching. So let us know in the comments if you liked any of these extra, like special, or if you have any others that work better for you. We'd love to hear what you're up to and what you're doing. Don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel so you can catch all the videos to come. Thank you so much. Namaste.